Hi students, good morning to all. Welcome back to Science 1 class. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe in home. Okay. Eat healthy food, drink more water, obey your parents, then do the homework properly. Okay. Improve your handwriting because last week we had done your weekly test. Not follow the instructions, not put the margin, lethargically write some numbers. Okay, so improve your handwriting. Lot of students forget the cursive, simply write in test. So improve your handwriting. Okay, dears. And previous class we had learned the unit 1 measurement, international system of units. Then fundamental units we elaborately seen temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity, plane angle, solid angle. Okay, these fundamental units are finished. Today we are going to discuss about the clocks. Okay, let's move the topic. I'll take our science book, pencil and science note and everything. Get ready, dears. Take page number 5, 1.3 clocks. All are wearing the watch. Yes, all are wear the watch. Then so many different types of wall clocks in our home. What purpose we are using the clock? We are using the clock to measure the time intervals. Measure the time intervals. Underline the word. Clocks are used to measure time intervals. So many clocks are being used from the ancient time. In ancient time, lot of clocks using. For example, location of sun, the sand clock. These are measuring the time. The scientists have modified the mechanism of the clocks every time to obtain accuracy. The scientists have modified the mechanism change பண்ணி நமக்கு accurate time கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. The type of clocks based on display and working mechanism. Okay, the clock classified two types. One is working mechanism based on display. First, types of clock based on display. Okay, there are two types of clocks based on display. The first one is analog clocks, another one is digital clocks. Underline the word. The types of clock based on display, analog clocks and digital clocks. The first one, analog clocks. Analog clocks look like a classic clock. Classic means paramvaryam. Okay, analog clocks look like a classic clock. It has 3 hands to show the time. This clock using in our home, lot of home using this clock only. 3 hands to show the time. This is the analog clock. 3 hands. One hand is minute hand, another one second hand, another one is horse hand. Okay, the first one, horse hand. Already we know the horse hand is very short. This is horse hand, very short and thick. Underline the word, very short and thick. It shows the hour. Second one is minute. Minute's hand, it long and thin. It's a long and thin. Okay, this is so long and thin. It shows minute. Long and thin is minute hand. The next, seconds hand, long and very thin. Underline the word very thin. It is a difference between minutes hand and seconds hand. Very thin is seconds hand. It shows the second. It makes one rotation in 1 minute and 60 rotation in 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes is a 1 hour, 60 seconds are 1 minute. Okay, the one rotation is 60 second 1 minute and 60 rotation is a 1 hour. Are you clear? The analog clocks can be driven either the mechanically or electronically. Mechanically normally battery use பண்ணி work ஆகிறதும் இருக்கும். The electron current use பண்ணி work ஆகக்கூடிய clocks-உம் இருக்கு. Mechanically or electronically. Okay. So the analog clocks have a 3 parts. One is minute hand, hours hand, seconds hand. Okay, next digital clocks. A digital clock displays the time directly. Okay, but analog clocks display the time not directly. Okay, you have to 12 the small hours hand and then minute hand. These are we have to measure the time, but digital clocks shows the number value. Okay, display the time directly, numerals. A digital clock display the time directly. Underline the word. The digital clock display the time directly. It shows the time in numerals or other symbol. It may have 12 hours or 24 hours. The railway time is 24 hours. Okay, 12 hours. This is the digital clocks. How to measure the 12 hours clock. The recent clocks are showing date, day, month, year, temperature, etc. Nowadays the clocks are differently than digital clocks are coming. The digital clocks are day, date, month, year, temperature, everything we are seeing in the clock. Okay, the digital clocks are often called as electronic clocks. The digital clock often called as a electronic clocks. Underline the word electronic clocks. The clocks are based on display two types. One is analog clocks, another one is digital clocks. Okay, the analog clock is classic clock. Analog clock is classic clock. Digital clock is electronic clock. Okay, digital, electronic, analog, classic. Okay, the analog clock is 3 hands. Digital clock is display the time directly. This is a difference between analog clock and digital clock. Okay, are you understand? Okay, next the clock based on working mechanism. Okay, the last topic is based on display. Okay, then now that clock is working based on mechanism. The two types of clocks. The first one is quartz clock, then atomic clock. First one, quartz clock. These clocks are activated by electronic oscillation. Okay, electronic oscillation. Underline the word electronic oscillation, which are controlled by quartz crystal. This clock using the quartz crystal. The quartz crystal controlled the oscillation because the quartz clock is very famous clock. The frequency of vibrating crystal is very precise, very accuracy. So the quartz clock is more accurate than the mechanic clock. Mechanic clock விட quartz clock ரொம்ப accurate-ஆ இருக்கும். These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 9 seconds. Underline the word 1 second is in every 10 power 9 seconds க்கு accuracy இருக்கும். Okay, next atomic clock. Atomic clock. These clocks make use of the periodic vibration. That is a periodic vibration. The the clocks are working. Okay, periodic vibration. These clocks have accuracy of 1 second 10 power 13 seconds. This also very accuracy. In this clock used the global positioning system GPS and global navigation satellite system and international time distribution service. These places using the atomic clock very accuracy 10 power 13 seconds க்கு 1 second equal இருக்கும். That like the clock is used. The main difference is quartz clock and atomic clock. Quartz clock is electronic oscillation. Okay, the atomic clock is periodic vibration. This accuracy is 10 power 9 second. This accuracy is 10 power 13 seconds. Okay, atomic clock is used the GPS and GLONASS. This system we are using the atomic clock. Okay, that's all. These are types of clock. The clock based on two types. One is display, another one is mechanism. The first display type is analog clock and digital clock. The mechanism based types of clock is quartz and atomic clock. Okay dears. Next, Greenwich Mean Time is the mean solar time at the Royal Observatory. This Royal Observatory located in Greenwich in London. It is measured at the longitude of 0 degree. It is a 0 degree measure பண்ணலாம். The earth is divided into 24 zones. Underline the word 24 zones. 24 zones, each of the with 15 degree longitude. 15 degree longitude 24 zones நம்மளோட எர்த்தை டிவைட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Okay, these regions are called time zones. How many time zones in a earth? 24 zone. Okay, the time difference between two adjacent time zone. Adjacent means அடுத்தடுத்து. ஓகேவா? For example, இப்போ ரெண்டு கண்ட்ரிக்கும் அடுத்த உள்ள கண்ட்ரிக்கு டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்னா 1 hour டைம் வந்து எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் ஆகும். ஓகே, இப்போ நவ் கம்பேர் த சிங்கப்பூர். இந்தியா டைம் இஸ் 4 o'clock மீன்ஸ் அந்த சிங்கப்பூர் டைம் இஸ் 6:30. ஸோ ஹவு மெனி ஜோன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் தம் சிங்கப்பூர் அண்ட் இந்தியா? த 4 zone. ஓகே, த டூ adjacent மீன்ஸ் டூ countries. அப்போ 4 countries இடையில இருக்குது. தென் half an hour, அப்போ 2.5 hours வந்து நமக்கு எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் ஆகுது. அவங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் ஆகும், நமக்கு கம்மியாக இருக்கும். அப்போ இதில் தான் டைம் இன்டர்வல்ஸ் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். தட் இஸ் Greenwich டைம். Greenwich டைம் போகிறோம் எல்லாருக்குமே காமன். ஓகேவா? நம்ம ஜோனை பொறுத்து நமக்கு டைம் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். 2 zone 3 zone 4 zone. அப்போ ஜோன் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆக 2 adjacent ஜோனுக்கு 1 hour இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் த டைம் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் பிட்வீன் 2 adjacent டைம் zone is 1 hour. Okay, the Indian Standard Time IST, the location of Mirzapur, underline the word Mirzapur, in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as a reference longitude of the Indian Standard Time. The மிர்சாப்பூரில் கிராஸ் ஆகக்கூடிய அந்த லாங்கிடியூடை வச்சு நம்ம இந்தியன் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டைமை வந்து நம்ம determination பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, இட் இஸ் லொக்கேட்டட் அட் 82.5 degree longitude. The IST value is GMT Greenwich Mean Time plus 5:30 hours. That is the Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time is GMT Greenwich Mean Time plus 5:30 hours. Okay, how many zones in a earth? 24 zones. Okay, what the time difference between two adjacent time zone is 1 hour. Okay, that's all.